Hi, I'm Carl Timothy of Timothy Real Estate Group, and I'm very excited to invite you to join us on Saturday, February 15th from 9 o'clock until 2 o'clock for the 2020 Vallarta Real Estate Fair. This annual event is a great opportunity to network with local professionals that are part of our community. The free one-day event will include exhibitors like real estate brokers, exciting new development with development auctions, healthcare professionals, insurance brokers, interior designers, immigration attorneys, and much more. I'm also one of the speakers at this year's panel, and I will be discussing local real estate market trends throughout Puerto Vallarta and the Banderas Bay. For more information about the real estate fair, please visit vallartarealestatefair.com. I hope to see you all there.